Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to trade this particular coin called SATS with just 30 USD. So let's look at how we can trade SATS with 30 USD and make a huge profit in return. Do you know why we're investing on this? If you really want to know, stay through this video from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this very video you will understand why we invested on SATS coin and what is our expectation from SATS coin. So without waste of time, we're going to navigate straight to the SATS coin. Okay, locating the SATS coin, this is the SATS coin. Okay, and how exactly is the SATS coin doing? This is the level of the SATS coin. This is the positive it has recorded so far, which is this 1.8 going to 1.9. Okay, this SATS coin is a coin that has been doing well in the past. Okay, it has been full of ups and downs. But this time we're expecting this SATS coin to delete more than 1 0. Okay, that is, we're expecting this SATS coin to become 0.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, to become 70. Okay, point 1. So this is our expectations. So what do we need to do? All we just need to do is to watch this coin carefully, invest on it carefully, and expect a huge return. So let's dive into this. But before we go into this fully, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to this channel, like these videos, share these videos so that a lot of people can gain value from it. Alright, so we're going to come to this place carefully to click on buy. Okay, if you do not know how to trade, I've dropped a video on how to trade. Okay, you click on buy, and if you want to sell, you click on sell. So right now we're going to buy, so we'll click on buy. Alright, so we'll click on buy. So if you click on buy now, it will bring us to this something of this very nature. This interface shows us the volume that I have. If I'm going to choose the market, I will input my USDT, and this is the volume I'm going to have. Okay, so it's very good you secure some portions of this SATS coin for yourself. And if you do not know this SATS coin, I'm going to drop a video talking about this particular SATS coin, what it holds, and what is it exactly. Okay, so I'm going to invest on this SATS coin. I'll click on buy. Come to this place, I'll drag all because I want to use all to buy. Okay, I want to use everything to purchase this SATS coin. So the next thing I will do is to click on buy. So I'm purchasing this SATS coin with a total sum of 31.1. All right, 31.1, and I'll just come to here to click on buy. So clicking on buy now, you can see the order is automatically filled. I'm going to leave this SATS coin. I will wait until I get what I want. I'm expecting this SATS coin to go very, very high. You can see a lot of zeros here. 0 point. Okay, after the 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this 7. We're expecting this SATS coin to turn this place to 1. At least turn this place to 1. So if this SATS coin now turn this place to 1, how much will I gain? Okay, let's see how I will be able to turn this 31 USDT to, let's see. So clicking on sell here now. Clicking on sell, I'll come to this place to choose limit because I want to impute volume. I'll come to this place now to delete 10. Okay, to delete 10. So the moment 10 is deleted, I'm going to earn what? I'm going to earn times 2 of my fund. Okay, I will earn times 2 of my fund, which is roughly 88 USD or 80 USD. Okay, what if I turn this place to? I'm going to earn much more. So I'm going to wait carefully because this coin has never pumped since the day it was launched. Let's see, it has never pumped since the day it was launched, and the highest it has been was 0.00007. Was it true? Okay, but it has actually deleted that 0 before. That was the day it was launched. Okay, But like right now, we're gonna going to wait and see what the feature of this particular coin will bring to us. This coin was launched back in 2020 in 2024 January. Okay, and since then it has not taken any significant move. So let's expect good from it. So this brings us to the end of this very video. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.